Check out this is 2010 Toyota Prius. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: driver vanity mirror, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, power steering, aluminum wheels, front head airbag, passenger airbag sensor, and power windows. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.